In this lesson we will add resources. Regarding resources, it is important to note that the talent system does not store any resources, such as talent points, skill points. All resources come from outside the talent system. The talent system only cares about check cost and apply cost. The talent system determines whether the resources are sufficient through check cost to determine whether the node can be upgraded. Define how resources are consumed in apply cost. This reduces the coupling between the talent system and the outside, making it more modular. So when we add talent points, we can add a talent point attribute directly to the character or player state, or put talent points into Actor component. Here we demonstrate the talent points in Actor component. Create a component that inherits from Actor component. Its name is b_talent points component. And then we open it up. We give it a variable. Variables are of type int. Variables are called talent points. If you want to play multiplayer, remember to change the attribute to replicated. Then we go back to the character blueprint. Add this newly created component to the character blueprint. b_talent points component. Modify the values so that the talent point defaults to 10. Then we go back to Talentaset. Select the first skill. Add its cost to its level up cost. Cost is empty by default. We need to define it ourselves. Now we create a cost. First, create a new folder called cost. Create a new blueprint in the cost folder. Inherited from level up cost. His name is TC_talent points. In this cost, we need to implement two functions: check cost and apply cost respectively. Let's implement check cost first. Get talent from talent node first. Then call talent's getOwningActor function. The OwningActor here is the character. We're going to find the talent point component by character. Select talent points component. Determine whether the component exists. Determine whether it is greater than or equal to the talent points that need to be consumed. The consumption here should be calculated according to the target level and the current level. Calculate the difference in grades. Multiply by the number of points to be consumed per level. Let it be 2. Here we make the number of points consumed per level a variable. Named cost. Back to Talentaset. Set the cost of the node to the cost just created. Other skills as well. You can select more and then set the properties. Press T to open the talent. You can upgrade it. Back to character blueprint. If we set the character's default talent point to 0, skills cannot be upgraded now. Because our talent point is 0, it is not enough to consume, and we can't see the value of talent points. Back to the talent widget blueprint. We want to show talent points in the upper right corner. Add a horizontal box first. Put it in the overlay. Move it to the upper right corner. Add another text block. Then we make it appear as talent points. Add another text block to display the value. Default text is empty. Name talent points val. Set as variable. Display talent points in the tick function of event graph. Get the character first. Then find the talent point component. Find b_talent points component. Get talent points. First determine whether the character is valid. Then determine whether the component is valid. Then set the text to the value of the talent point. Then we go to run. You can see that the talent points are displayed here when we upgrade the node. Can't consume talent points yet, so we want to implement applyCost in cost. Get talent first. Get character. Find talent points components. Get existing talent points first. Then set talent points. However, it is important to note here that, if it is a multiplayer game, it must be set through our PC, otherwise the server level will not change the value. Open this component. We need to add an RPC event. It's called setTalentPoints. Transform this function into an event. This allows you to set the RPC for the function. Set the replicates of the function to run on server on the right. Check reliable. Add an int parameter. The name is intTalentPoints. Here we set the value of talent points. Back to applyCost. We call the setTalentPoints function. First get the level difference. Multiply by the number of points consumed per level. Let the existing talent points subtract the talent points consumed. Then set it to the current talent point. Now let's try it. Upgrade skill consumes 2 points. Cancel the upgrade and restore 2 points. Now we let the character only have 6 talent points. Run again. When the talent point is 0, it cannot be upgraded again. Cancel other skills, then this skill can be upgraded.